and welcome to ERi-TV Evening News. Today is Tuesday, 16th of April 2024. Here are stories making headlines. Preservation effort to historical sites in Nafa. Monetary contribution to war-disabled veterans. Xi meets German Chancellor, calls for achieving mutual success. Handlers killed at storm lashed Pakistan and Afghanistan. In a remarkable display of community spirit, residents from Ma'o administrative area and Nafa town, in cooperation with Defense Force members, are actively involved in the preservation of key historical sites within Nafa subzone. The initiative themed the trends in which heroic feats were demonstrated are monuments of our identity and history, focuses on the renovation and preservation of crucial trends of the struggle for independence. These trends played a pivotal role in thwarting enemy attack and protecting the lives of freedom fighters. Reports indicate that today, restoration efforts have successfully refurbished over 32.5 kilometers of these historic trends across various sectors of the Nafa front. Mr. Manna Mahari, a national residing in Germany, extended 200,000 Nafa in support of the women members of the National Association of Eritrean War-Disabled Veterans. At the handing out ceremony conducted in 15th of April, Mrs. Bussarat Gabrit, who handed out the support, said that Mr. Manna was member of the Revolution School and later member of 96th Division of the APLF, and in the past he has extended similar monetary support to the association. Mr. Tesfan Mikael Haile, head of economic development of the association, commending for the support extended, said that the support was part of the contribution the diaspora nationals are making in support of the association. According to documents of association, Mr. Manna in March 2023 has extended 160,000 Nafa in support of the association and 160,000 Nafa in support of families of martyrs in connection with Martyrs' Day. The National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students organized training on maintenance of water pumps and social science to 73 youth, including 21 females, in Mehlab administrative area, Galeb subzone. Mr. Netzer Abberkhatab, head of the union branch in the subzone, said 4-month training in maintenance of water pump was provided to 20 youth and 1-month training on social science to 53 youth, indicating that the administrative area is rich in water and soil resource. Mr. Adam Haj, administrator of the administrative area, called on the trainees to apply the training they provided in the development of vegetables and fruits, as well as bee farming and livestock development. Mr. Azazi Barakhatab, head of the union branch in Ansaba region, on his part said that the union is exerting strong effort in the skill and capacity development of the youth with a view to enable them become self-supportive and productive members of the society. The trainees, commending for the training opportunity provided, expressed readiness to apply the knowledge they gained in improving their livelihoods. Those were local news updates. Stay tuned for international ones. Chinese President Xi Jinping met with German Chancellor Olaf Scholz today at the Yutai State Guest House in Beijing, calling on the two sides to carry forward the distinctive characteristics of mutual benefit and win-win outcomes and achieve mutual success. Noting that this year marks the 10th anniversary of the establishment of all-round strategic partnership between China and Germany, Xi said over the past 10 years, despite tremendous change in the international landscape, China-Germany relations have maintained steady growth, and bilateral cooperation has strengthened and deepened across the board, providing impetus for the development of both countries. Currently, Transformation not seen in a century is accelerating across the globe, and humanity faces growing risks and challenges. These problems cannot be resolved without major country cooperation, she said. As China and Germany are, respectively, the second and third large economies in the world, the consolidation and development of their relations carry significance that goes beyond the bilateral scope and has a major impact on the Eurasian continent and the entire world, she stated, calling on the two countries to view and develop bilateral relations from a long-term and strategic perspective and work together to inject greater stability and certainty in the world. He underscored that both China and Germany have made major contribution to the progress of human civilization. The two countries do not have clashing fundamental interests between them and pose no security threat to each other. Cooperation between China and Germany benefits not just the two sides, but also the world at large. Lightning and heavy rains have killed hundreds of people across Pakistan and Afghanistan. At least 50 people have died in Pakistan in storms that have been lashing the country, officials said today, as they urged emergency service to remain on high alert. Authorities in Afghanistan also reported a death toll of 50 the same day. Most of the deaths in Pakistan were reported in the northwestern province, where torrential rains and flash floods triggered landslides, damaged homes, and uprooted trees. Rains caused dozens of houses to collapse in the northwest and in eastern Punjab province. Spokesman for the Provincial Disaster Management Authority said 21 people had died, with more rains expected this week. Spokesman for the Disaster Management Authority in Khyber province bordering Afghanistan said 21 people died there. Rain also lashed the capital Islamabad and killed 7 people in southwestern province. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif said in televised remarks that he had ordered authorities to provide relief aid. Authorities have now declared a state of emergency in the southwest of the country. Before we go, we have a quick recap of the top stars. Preservation efforts of historic sites in Nafa. Monetary contribution to war-disabled veterans. Xi meets German Chancellor and calls for achieving mutual success. Hundreds killed as storm slashed Pakistan and Afghanistan. And that wraps up our news broadcast for this evening. Thank you for being with us.